Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete old Facebook account without ID or password. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Facebook. So I'm going to search for a random profile. So let me search for a random profile. Okay, so I search for this profile. Then you need to click on three dots and here you find the option of find support or report. Click on that option and then you need to click on pretending to be someone and then you need to click on me and then you need to click on submit. Okay, and then you need to click on next and here you have different options. You simply need to click on done. So I reported this profile and Facebook team will check this and will help me delete this account. So this is a process by which you can delete old Facebook account without ID or password. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.